Federal Bank has released recruitment notification to fill up Scale 1 officers and clerk posts. Let us check the eligibility details. The educational qualification of the applicant for clerk post should be he should have completed graduation with minimum 50% marks and SSC intermediate with minimum 60% marks. And for officer post, the applicant should have finished post graduation, and the age of the applicant for clerk post should be below 24 years, and for officer post below 26 years. The selection process involves three stages. First one online aptitude test, second one group discussion, and then personal interview. The online aptitude test pattern for the recruitment of officer posts consists of 6 sections. English language, logical aptitude, reasoning, quantitative aptitude, general socio-economic banking awareness, and marketing sales aptitude, digital banking. Totally 150 questions are asked for 150 marks, and the total time duration should be 90 minutes for officer exam. Federal Bank exam pattern for clerk post involves 6 sections. Totally 90 questions are asked from English language, reasoning, numerical ability, general socio-economic and banking awareness, computer awareness, digital banking for 90 marks. The total time duration of the exam should be 60 minutes. Let us check the salary details of the Federal Bank clerks and officer posts. For clerk post, 21,000 per month approximately, plus other allowances like DA, HRA, CCA, etc. For officer post, rupees 43,000 per month with other allowances. The application fee to apply for these jobs in Federal Bank is for clerk post. For reserved category SC STs, they should have paid 250 rupees, and general and other categories should have to pay 500 rupees. And for officer post, for SC ST category should have to pay 350 rupees, and general and other categories should have to pay 700 rupees to apply for these jobs. How to apply? Let us check the application procedure. The candidate should have to read the notification details to ensure their eligibility criteria, and those who are interested to apply, please go to the site www.freshersworld.com. FDRL means Federal 2017, and apply online between 2nd June 2017 and 16th June 2017. Prerequisites to apply for these jobs should be the candidate need to keep scanned copies of photo and signature and valid email ID and mobile number, and also keep educational qualification and other personal details to fill the form without any mistakes. First, let us check the step-by-step procedure to apply for these jobs. Please go to the careers page of the freshersworld.com Federal 2017. Click on the apply online button, and officers, clerks, read the notification details and instructions, fill the details, upload the scanned copies, recheck the filled details to modify if any mistakes, and then check submit button. Payment, then pay the fee. After paying fee, wait for some time, then the copy of the online application form will be sent to the registered email ID of the applicant. Let us also check the important dates about this notification. The start date to submit online application is 2nd June 2017, and the last date to submit online application is 16th June 2017. The scheduled date of online exam should be 24th June 2017. For more details of this notification and to apply online, go to the link below www.facebook.com bank exam tips page, and also bank exam tips @YouTube channel. For latest updates, please click on subscribe button so that you can able to get my updated videos directly into your mail @bank exam tips. And if you like this video, please like and share. For more details, visit this site www.bankexamtips.in. Let us check the official notification of this recruitment. Federal Bank recruitment for officers and clerks. Go to the site bankexamtips.in, Federal Bank Recruitment 2017 for officers and clerks, and click on the view notification details to check the official notification. Check the official notification of the Federal Bank recruitment process for the post of officers and clerks. The application process starts from online registration process starts from 2nd June 2017 and closes on 16th June 2017. Those who are interested should have to apply between these two dates, and the scheduled date of online exam should be 24th June 2017. They have mentioned the salary details for clerk post and for officer posts. uh, let us check the eligibility details. The age of the applicant should be, as we have discussed earlier, for clerk post the applicant uh, should be below 24 years as on 1st June 2017, and for officer post the applicant should be below 26 years. And the educational qualification also they have mentioned here for clerk post and officers. And service agreement and test pattern, the online aptitude test pattern for clerk post and officers also they have given in the notification, as we have discussed earlier. And application process. To submit application online, go to the bank's website federalbank.co.in and follow the link careers play page and click on apply online. Check here. To apply online, go to bankexamtips.in, Federal Bank Recruitment 2017 for officers and clerks, and apply here button. Click on this button, apply here. You can get the direct link to apply online. Read the instructions given here and fill the personal details. They have mentioned first name, last name, date of birth, email, mobile number, gender, and address details, and academic details, 10th, 12th graduation, and known languages and additional details, and upload the scanned copies of your photo and signature, and click on subscribe. Select the aptitude test city which is nearer to your place and submit. Then you will get the payment form. From that you can pay the application fee and submit. Finally, the submitted application should be sent to your registered email ID.